How to lock and unlock keyboard in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. So if you want to lock and unlock your keyboard in your Windows, then what you need to do is the first thing is you just need to simply use the Shift key. But before that, reconnect the keyboard to ensure it is properly connected. Ensure that the number lock key is disabled and press Windows plus L to lock the keyboard instantly. And after that, you need to press the Shift key for 8 seconds till you see the filter keys prompt. Once you have this kind of interface, then you just need to simply go with yes, and then again press the Shift key for 8 seconds to unlock your keyboard. Second thing is you can open up your settings app. Once you open up your settings, you can go with the accessibility option. And under that, you just need to simply scroll down and go with keyboard. Under keyboard here, you will have filter keys option. You can simply turn on your filter keys to lock your keyboard. But if you want to unlock it, then you just need to simply toggle it off. So these were the ways on how you can lock and unlock your keyboard in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.